Hi, welcome to the Tabs and Icons Consulting Microsoft Excel video tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to multiply values against text. My name is Dankaro Izuzu. Let's look at the data we're going to use. Now, I have this hypothetical data here, date of sales, description of item, quantity sold, unit price, and all we are expected to do is to compute the sales value. Now, let's look at the first one, 12 bags of cement sold at 4,500 per bag. Now, you can see under the quantity, numbers have been written against it, so it becomes difficult to multiply. So you can't perform simple arithmetic to multiply cell D3 and E3. So what I'm going to do, I want to introduce a helper alphabet so that I can use a helper alphabet to do that. Now you can choose any alphabet. You can use a hash key. For this purpose, I'm going to use letter A. You can use any letter. So I'm going to say A. Now I'll look at the first number. The number here is 12. So I'm going to use 12 multiplied by the unit price is 4,500. So I do this. Now, if you look, I've taken the letters only in the quantity side. I've just left the test part of it and I've multiplied by the unit price. Now I hit my enter key. Now, the moment I do this, if I have a lengthy value, I might just give one or two examples because I'm going to use the flash fill command. So it would be relevant for me to come to somewhere here and also do the same thing. I'm saying A, this time I'm going to use 25 because I'm on that row here, 25 multiplied by 1520. So I've given two examples. I know what the flash fill does. It was by a given example. So the reason I'm giving two examples, if the first example does not give Microsoft Excel the idea of what you're looking for, the second example will certainly make it better. So all I need to do is to say Control E. Now, when I do Control E, I've filtered down all. Now, if you get to this particular place, you will notice that you move down here, it's taking 98. You move down here, it's taking 45. And then you move down here, it's taking 78. So all I'm doing is now coming here, highlight the whole of this. I take Control F, which is find, and I'm going to type on that find, say look for letter A. Replace that letter A with equality sign. Now you know arithmetic operations in Microsoft Excel is usually started by equality sign. So technically what I've done is to say equal to 12 multiplied by that for the first one. And then just click replace all. Notice I've replaced every bit of it. So this is my answer. I've multiplied all. So when you have this problem, please don't begin to do it one after the other. Look for a helper character, multiply, and then use the flash fill. Now, the flash fill will not work for you if you have a lower version of Excel, as flash fill was introduced in 2016. Thank you very much for listening. In other videos, we're going to see much more of what Excel can do. Thank you and bye-bye.